With global warming, low-carbon environmental protection, and energy conservation and emissions reduction are imperative. Guangdong Hande Precision Machinery Company Limited is an innovative high-tech enterprise for air compressor R&D, manufacturing, and marketing. We specialized in the production of the newest generation of the most energy-efficient and intelligent screw air compressor. We focus on the R&D and production of two-stage air compressors, permanent magnetic frequency conversion air compressors, and other energy-saving air compressors. We have the normative and modern assembly workshop with the advanced automation processing equipment. More than 30 of sales outlets of Hande are distributed throughout the country, providing our customers with professional and excellent service. Now, we are actively striving to develop international market. Hande's compressors are exported to Asia, the Middle East, Eastern Europe, and other countries. Over the years, with technology as the forerunner, self-RD products as the core, and talent advantages, Hande has created one after another miracle in the air compressor industry. It grows into an excellent air compressor production enterprises. Hande owns a number of patents and certifications. Relying on years of rich experience in the industry of air compressor and mastery of international technology, it has developed a professional research and development team of screw air compressor, constantly innovating to create the most efficient and energy-saving air compressor suitable for customer needs. Hande adheres to the quality excellence, pursuit of perfection, and demonstrates excellent performance with details through production and management. The introduction of international advanced automatic processing equipment to ensure product stability and reliability strictly follows the ISO 9001 quality management system, strictly respected throughout the whole process of product design, manufacturing, testing, sales, and service. We will provide customers industrial air compressors or the overall solution of gas demand with excellent quality and lowest energy consumption. Quality, our eternal theme. Integrity, our permanent spirit. Service is our permanent aim. Hande continuously launched high-quality, efficient air compressor equipment. Our product covers the permanent magnet variable frequency air compressor, which provides more compressed air and air volume adjustment range with less power. Compared with power frequency air compressor, energy saving is 15% to 38%, and energy saving is 5% to 10% compared with common frequency conversion. The larger the fluctuation of system gas consumption, the more obvious the energy-saving effect. The two-stage compressor is the highest technical content and the most energy-saving air compressor at present. Larger gas production, lower noise, lower energy consumption. It can save up to 50% more energy than single-stage screw compressor. Hande has a quality air compressor manufacturers. Our customers are all over the world, equipped with professional customer service and maintenance personnel to meet the technical consulting, use and maintenance of air compressors for different customers, and continue to create value for customers. In the future, we will seize the opportunity to make innovations and increase the autonomy, diversification, and branding of our products. We strive to build Guangdong Hande Air Compressor Industrial Park within 3 years and strive to become one of the world's top 100 air compressor manufacturers. Create brilliant future, virtue all over the world.